If you're an engineer or buyer of custom manufactured parts or services, then you need to come to the Gaylord Texan Convention Center for the Texas Design-2-Part show on June 9th and 10th.
I would definitely come here to find new technologies that can enable us in the prototyping world especially.
Because going to a company's website is one thing, but really making that connection with the actual person is so much better, I think.
It allows you to trigger some ideas and maybe some solutions.
And to find new suppliers.
We're looking for some micro machining houses.
We're looking at coatings.
Because I'm looking at 5 different kinds of TPU.
Thermoforming and thermosets.
We found some ideas, absolutely.
And here they're actually people who are owners. In a lot of cases, you're actually dealing with somebody who's high enough in the company.
CNC machining, forming, finishing, fabricating, electronics, casting, welding, stamping, design, and so much more.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this show to all engineers and technicians for that matter too, even purchasing agents for companies.
I recommend this show to a lot of people.
Get your free admission by clicking now and bring a coworker.